what I'm attempting to do is try to stay out of the way of the flying lead. We got a war going on over here. Listen at the gunfire. Oh, Lord. Scaring the shit out of me. The Mexicans are fighting the Italians, and the Indians are fighting the people who own stores. It's crazy. Gunfire going on everywhere. There's a emergency vehicle going to where I heard a giant explosion about 15 minutes ago. Seen the whole sky light up. Today's date is June the 3rd, 2013. Oh God, I don't know what's going on. I hear fire trucks and ambulances in the background. Or if you can pick it up on this microphone that's on my camera. Oh God, oh Lord, listen. Something's going on. There's a truck that went by a while ago and a bunch of shit flew out of it. And I don't know if this is part of what it is or what. It's a police motorcycle, you hear it. I don't know what to do. They drained the lake today. They tore the dam down on Lake Greenwood and all the water's gone out of it. I think they're gonna build a marine base there. A lot of gunfire and cannon fire, and there were some airplanes flying over right before it got dark, dropping napalm bombs. You motherfuckers believe all that. Nice. What it is, this 4th of July 2016. It's a Monday afternoon about 8:40 p.m. Talk to you jaculators later.